Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and today from Aliexpress we have a different product or gadget. It comes in red color and silver, and can you guess what is it? It says in the title that is M2 SSD Heatsink Turbo Cooling Fan Silent Thermal Conductor with LED temperature meter display for computer for cooling accessories. And I have ordered the red one because it looks pretty cool. And of course I got it. Does it come with bubbles? No. Okay. But it comes with a plastic box which is pretty secure. Instruction manual. Alright, I'm gonna read it. I love these plastic boxes because you can use them for DIY projects, and it's very well packed. We have the cable. Whoa! Okay, on the side. And what are these? We're gonna figure out later. A sticker. I hate stickers. I need to pull out gently without leaving any adhesive. Nice. It looks like a tiny graphics card. I like it. Okay, now you're gonna see in 360 while I'm reading what it says in the description. It comes in silver, red, maybe you can find a black one. And what it says on the sides, there is a radiator fixing screws. We have built-in lighting display screen. It shows the rotation of the airflow. Power supply terminal wire socket on the side, aluminum carbide alloy, and turbo cooling fan. That small fan is right there. Alright. So in the package you will get the SSD cooler that looks like a tiny graphics. You will get the power cable and 3 different thermal conductive silicone pads or material. What kind of material is this? I don't know. And sorry, I do not have a free SSD storage right now, but it goes right here, and with these silicone conductive pads you will attach to the metal surface or the aluminum, which is pretty cool, and the fan will do the great job cooling down the SSD. Now I'm gonna connect the power cable, this tiny connector from one side that goes right here, I think. Yes. Alright, okay, yes. And from other side we have this connector. And let me share what I learned about the power cable. We have 3 wires. That wire with black and white lines is the ground. The middle one is positive. And by the way, this thing works on 12 volts. 3, 2, 1, and take a look. A tiny LED temperature meter or thermometer that shows how is the temperature of the heatsink. And can you see that the fan is spinning? Whoa, and it's pretty quiet. I'm gonna close to the microphone. You can't hear it because it's super low noise, and I can feel it, the airflow, and the temperature is rising because I'm holding the heatsink in my hands. Oh, I forgot. And just for you, there is a protective. Oh, here it is. Oh, come on. I mess up. I can't reach it. Why? Oh, here it is. Oh, nice. Much better. Alright. Really, it looks like a tiny graphics. And this can be used for many applications. It's not supposed to cool down a SSD storage. You can use this thing for cooling down your amplifier, maybe amplifier chip, or other things that are producing heat. I'm making a white mark on the fan so I can measure the rotations per minute using my digital tachometer. You can see that it's spinning very fast, and by holding the test I'm gonna measure it. Why it's not showing nothing? Is it too small, or my tachometer it's not working? But yep, the digital tachometer it's working fine because it's reading the rotations per minute on this fan. I can measure the fan, it's too small. Oh, sorry. Okay, that was all for today review of this very cute cooling heatsink with a LED temperature meter at front and that tiny fan that is working great. I can feel the airflow. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow with new product.